As we approach 2025, the world of finance is experiencing a transformation driven by technology, sustainability, and changing consumer expectations. Here are 5 major trends that will shape the financial landscape and what they mean for you. 1. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Digital currencies issued by central banks are becoming a reality. What's happening? Countries like China, the EU, and the US are piloting CBDCs to enhance financial systems. Why it matters? CBDCs promise faster, more secure transactions with reduced costs. They also aim to expand access to banking for underserved populations. How to prepare? Stay updated on CBDC developments and understand how they might affect your financial habits. 2. AI in personal finance. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing financial planning and management. What's happening? AI-driven tools like robo-advisors, budgeting apps, and chatbots are becoming more advanced. Why it matters? These tools offer personalized insights, helping individuals save, invest, and spend smarter. How to prepare? Leverage AI-powered platforms to optimize your financial goals, whether it's automating savings or managing investments. 3. Sustainability takes center stage. Green finance and ESG, environmental, social, and governance, investments are booming. What's happening? Investors are increasingly prioritizing sustainable and ethical practices. Companies are aligning with these values to attract capital. Why it matters? ESG funds often outperform traditional investments, while supporting causes like clean energy and social equity. How to prepare? Research ESG-focused funds or individual stocks and consider adding them to your portfolio. 4. The growth of decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi is reshaping how financial services operate. What's happening? Blockchain-based platforms enable peer-to-peer lending, borrowing, and staking without intermediaries. Why it matters? DeFi offers greater control and transparency but comes with higher risks. How to prepare? Educate yourself about DeFi, start with small investments, and use reputable platforms to minimize risks. 5. Expanding financial inclusion through technology. Fintech innovations are making financial services accessible worldwide. What's happening? Mobile payment systems, micro-lending apps, and online banking are reaching underserved communities. Why it matters? These tools empower individuals in emerging markets, creating new investment opportunities and global economic growth. How to prepare? Explore fintech solutions that simplify access to credit, savings, and investments, especially in high-growth markets. The future of finance in 2025 is about inclusivity, sustainability, and technology. Whether it's CBDCs transforming transactions, AI optimizing financial decisions, or DeFi challenging traditional banking, these trends present exciting opportunities. By staying informed and adapting to these shifts, you can navigate the evolving financial landscape and build a secure and prosperous future.